Hello friends, today we will be learning how to express past habits. What are past habits? Like if I say in Hindi, मैं वहाँ पे जाता था, राम यहाँ पे आता था, okay, वो ये काम करता था, तुम ये काम करते थे. Like this kind of things, these are called past habits. How to express past habits? Today we will be learning. Hello, my name is Kailash and I welcome you all to Spoken English Master. So without wasting time, let's get started. Subscribe to Spoken English Master to get more videos like this. See students, expressing past habit is one of the most important things in English language. If you are not able to express your past habits properly, you will not be able to speak English fluently, and that much confidence will not come to you. So it's very much important topic and you have to watch the video till the end, because an interesting thing I'll be discussing with you about past habits as well as used to. Okay, so keep watching the video till the end. Okay, so first of all we have to understand how to use past habits. Okay, how to express past habit. Okay, see, we use used to. What we use used to for past habits. We use used to for past habits. How? Suppose I have written few sentences over there. First of all we will read the sentences and then we will know the formula also. We will be talking about the formula also. Let's see. I used to teach English. I am telling the meaning. Don't get worried about that. Ram used to play cricket. You used to go there. You used to speak English. Now we will be talking about the formula, how to use all the sentences. See, subject will be there, then used to. Okay, this phrase we have to use. After that, V1. V1 means base form of the verb. V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. If you don't know what is V1, what is V2, what is V3, V4 and V5, I have created a separate video. Links will be given in the description box. Okay, and you can click on the I button also and you can watch that video. Okay, it's very important video. If you want, you can watch that video. Okay, so after that we will use object. I think you know what is object. Now let's match it. If I talk about I used to teach. I used to teach English. Subject is your I, then used to. After that V1 is your teach, then English. English is your object. इसका हिंदी में क्या होगा? I used to teach English. मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ाता था. अभी नहीं, पहले. ये मेरा एक हैबिट था. हैबिट का मतलब क्या है? आदत. ये एक मेरा आदत था कि क्या आदत था? इंग्लिश पढ़ाने का. I used to teach English. मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ाता था. कब? पहले. अभी नहीं, अभी हो गया है. अभी means now I teach English or I don't teach, it does not matter. Here it is not mentioned. Earlier, पहले मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ाता था. Okay, so I used to teach English. Next example, friends. Ram used to play cricket. राम क्रिकेट खेलता था. कब खेलता था? पहले, पास्ट में. अभी नहीं, ये पास्ट हैबिट है. ओके, दो तरह का हैबिट होता है. वन इज प्रेजेंट हैबिट, अनदर वन इज कॉल्ड पास्ट हैबिट. टुडे वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पास्ट हैबिट, नॉट प्रेजेंट हैबिट. नाउ यू कैन आस्क मी, सर, हाउ कैन आई एक्सप्रेस प्रेजेंट हैबिट? फॉर प्रेजेंट हैबिट आई हैव मेड a separate video, that is present indefinite tense. You can go to playlist and you can watch that video also. How to express present habit, there I have discussed in detail. Okay, let's concentrate. Ram used to play cricket. राम क्रिकेट खेलता था पहले. You used to go there. तुम वहां पे जाते थे. You used to speak English. तुम इंग्लिश बोलते थे. Okay, earlier, not now. Okay, these things already happened. Okay, it's a past habit. Okay, now again I'm reading. I used to teach English. मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ाता था. Ram used to play cricket. राम क्रिकेट खेलता था. यहाँ पे used to. You used to go there. तुम वहां पे जाते थे. Used to. You used to speak English. तुम इंग्लिश बोलते थे. तो used to means to express any past habit. Okay, past का कोई आदत. Whatever we used to do. Suppose if I say that I used to teach you English. I used to stay here. I used to go there. I used to talk to you in Bengali or in Hindi. Like whatever. Used to means past habit. As I have told you, friends, that each and every sentence can be converted into four parts. Number one is your affirmative part. Number two is your negative part. Number three, interrogative part. Number four, negative interrogative part. Each and every sentence is important for you. Each and every part is important for you. Since your childhood, you have been learning only one part, that is called affirmative part. That's why you face some problems to speak English properly. But If you want to speak English fluently, you have to know each and every part properly. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about each and every part. First of all, we will convert this sentence, this particular sentence, in negative interrogative as well as negative interrogative. How to do it? Because the thing is that sometimes we say like I used to go there, मैं वहाँ पे जाता था. We will not say all the time. We will say मैं वहाँ पे नहीं जाता था. क्या मैं वहाँ पे जाता था? क्या मैं वहाँ पे नहीं जाता था? We will say or not. We say these kind of sentences. But while speaking, we get confused and we face some problems. So today we have to learn how to make these sentences negative interrogative as well as negative interrogative. So let's learn. See students, I have made it negative interrogative as well as negative interrogative. Let's see how to make. First of all, I used to teach English. मैं English पढ़ाता था. As I have told you earlier. उसके बाद देखिए, I did not. Why did not? Because we are talking about past. We are talking about past, not present. It's a past indefinite tense. Okay, so we are talking about past tense. That's why we know if I talk about past tense, if we want to make it negative, we have to bring did not. Okay, so we are putting did not here. Or if you want, you can also use didn't. Okay, didn''t, didn't. Okay, the contraction, short form. Okay, while speaking we will not say did not, we will say didn't. Okay, I didn't used to teach English, or you can also say I didn't, no problem is there. I didn't used to teach English. मैं English नहीं पढ़ाता था. Let's see the next part. Did I used to teach English? क्या मैं English पढ़ाता था? Did I used to teach English? क्या मैं English पढ़ाता था? I am asking question. Okay, अच्छा next, didn't means here did not. Didn't I used to teach English? क्या मैं English नहीं पढ़ाता था? मैं क्वेश्चन कर रहा हूँ, क्या मैं English नहीं पढ़ाता था? Again, another sentence. Like if I say Ram used to stay here, or if I say Ram used to speak English. Ram English बोलता था. Ram English बोलता था. Ram used to speak English. Ram English नहीं बोलता था. Ram did not means didn't. Ram didn't used to speak English. क्या Ram English बोलता था? Did Ram used to speak English? क्या Ram English नहीं बोलता था? Didn't Ram used to speak English? In this way we can make 4 types of sentences. So whenever you talk about using past habits, whenever you talk about expressing past habit, we have to use used to. Okay, so I think it's clear to you friends. Now I will take, as I have promised you at the beginning of the video, that I will be discussing about an interesting thing, okay, that we are going to discuss. So let's have it. See students, these are some confusions. Here we get confused. See, ये देखने में तो एक ही जैसा लग रहा है, लेकिन इसका मीनिंग अलग अलग है. देखिए, यहाँ पे देखिए, I used to play cricket. ओके, इसका मीनिंग तो आपको पता ही होगा. I used to play cricket means मैं क्रिकेट खेलता था. कब? पास्ट. मेरा क्रिकेट खेलने का आदत था. I used to play cricket. ओके, like this one. Here देखिए, यहाँ पे देखिए, I am used to प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. यहाँ पे देखिए यूज टू, यहाँ पे भी यूज टू है, यहाँ पे भी यूज टू है, लेकिन यहाँ पे देखिए प्ले है, यहाँ पे प्लेइंग हो गया है. और यहाँ पे देखिए आई के साथ एम भी है, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है. यहाँ पे है कुछ, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है. यहाँ पे देखिए एम एक्स्ट्रा क्या है, यहाँ पे देखिए एम एक्स्ट्रा है और यहाँ पे आईएनजी लग गया है. यही डिफरेंस है. सो ये जो दोनों सेंटेंस है ना, बोथ द सेंटेंसेस आर नॉट कैरिंग द सेम मीनिंग. बोथ आर टोटली डिफरेंट सेंटेंस. दिस इज योर प्रेजेंट सेंटेंस, दिस इज योर पास्ट सेंटेंस. This one is past, this one is present. This sentence is expressing past habit. Okay, past habit. This one is present. Okay. अच्छा, इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा? I am used to playing cricket means I am habituated. I am habituated playing cricket. ओके, इसका मीनिंग ऐसा होगा. I am used to playing cricket means I am habituated playing cricket means I have the habit of playing cricket. ये एक तरह से आप बोल सकते हैं कि ये प्रेजेंट हैबिट होगा. ठीक है, प्रेजेंट हैबिट, ये मेरा आदत है. ओके, आई हैव ए हैबिट ऑफ प्लेइंग क्रिकेट, ये हो गया आपका प्रेजेंट हैबिट. ओके, और ये जो है ये हो गया आपका पास्ट हैबिट. ओके, सो दोनों जो सेंटेंस है ये दोनों टोटली डिफरेंट सेंटेंसेस है. ठीक है, अगर मैं ऐसा बोलूं कि आई एम यूज्ड टू टेकिंग क्लासेस, मेरा क्लास लेने का एक आदत है. because I am a teacher, so I have to take classes ना. So मेरा class लेने का एक आदत है. So how can I say? You can say like simply that I have a habit of taking classes, or you can say I am habituated taking classes, or you can say I am used to taking classes. Okay? Or another thing, like if I say I used to take classes means past tenses. मैं class लेता था. ये अभी का habit नहीं है. ये past का बात है. ये past का habit है. पास्ट में पहले मैं क्लास लेता था. मे बी नाउ आई एम टेकिंग क्लास और नाउ आई एम नॉट टेकिंग क्लास, इट डजंट मैटर. ओके, आई एम सेइंग आई यूज्ड टू टेक क्लासेस मींस मैं क्लास लेता था. आई थिंक इट्स दिस थिंग्स आर क्लियर टू यू फ्रेंड्स. सो हाउ टू गेट दिस थिंग्स प्रॉपर्ली? Whenever you read newspaper, you can find this kind of sentences. Okay, so every day I tell the same thing. Whenever I make any video, I tell the same thing. In my each and every video, you can find the same. You have to read newspaper, or you have to read any magazine. You have to read more and more to be fluent in English or to increase your knowledge. Okay, if you don't read anything, you cannot increase your knowledge. Okay, if you read every day, you can find this kind of phrases and you can understand it better. I think these things are clear to you friends. That's all for today. Next day again we will meet having another interesting topic, and my request is please share the video with your friends. If you share the video with your friends, so many students will take help from these videos. Okay, so thank you. Thanks for watching.